It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little wanna ride with this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
Yes, sir. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everyone's having a great day. Welcome back, y'all. Hope everybody been doing well. Yo, I know I've been gone for about 2 weeks. I went out of country. I was on vacation. I was overseas. Now I'm back. And this video right here, I should have really bought this to you before I went on vacation, but hey, huge shout out to my cousin Jet Black for holding up to his word, being a man of his word. I'm not the hugest person when it comes to like gambling or betting and stuff like that. You know, I'm not big into that, but my cousin was talking a whole lot of shit during the NBA finals, man, and that's how I got this shoe. You know, now if I was to go buy this shoe right now, which I already own this shoe, should I say, I own this shoe, so this is not just a double up for me, triple up for me, it's a quadruple up for me, you feel me? I got the 2009 pair and I got 3 pair from the ones that came out last year, now adding this one to the collection. It ain't going nowhere though, y'all, so I want it fair and square, so huge shout out to my cousin for that. This is my 3rd pair, you know what I'm saying, my 3rd pair. You can never get enough of these joints, man, but cousin held it down, and one of the shoes in here, which I see, y'all probably already see it, man. Y'all probably already see it, man. Y'all can see it, man. Y'all see it, man. One of the shoes in here is not actually my shoe, but this pair right here is my shoe, and this pair right here is not my pair. But right here, y'all see it, man. We have the Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray 2021 edition, man. And yes, so fresh, so clean, freshly, you know what I'm saying? Look, got the receipt in that thing, man. Yeah, man, he bet me these. He bet me these that Golden State was not going to win and Boston was going to win the NBA Finals. And as you guys see, hey, I would never bet against the Dubs. That's just me, though. So huge shout out to Golden State coming in clutch for the victory. And then right here, huge shout out to the bro Paris at Soulmates 206 out there in Seattle, Washington. Right here, the bro sent these over because he was like, hey man, see if you can go get me something that I can trade for these right here. We have a DS pair of the Fragment 3s, which we all know they all had this little weird, like, as you guys can see, discoloring back there on the bag. I don't understand it, man. You know, it's a it's weird, man. This is the one that I did a review on my channel for, because when my cousin hit, I did a review on these joints. So yes, they've been in the box the whole time, and I mean, yo, that heel tab, man, I don't know, man, this is probably one of the weirdest Fragment collabs that I've seen in the past years, you know, and I just feel like that they could have did a lot more to make this shoe a whole lot better. I feel like they really missed a beat with this back heel tab when it came to these joints right here, but it is what it is, man. We're gonna try to take these up there to the bro Paris. I told him I'd get him some pictures over so he can see them, try to get some store credit, maybe get a trade for my cousin so he can get something that he want to get in his side, and you know that's how we rocking. But y'all already know, stay tuned to the channel, man. I appreciate all the love and support that I've been getting from y'all. Again, huge shout out to Golden State for winning me this pair of shoes, man. Hey, it feel good. This is one of my favorite 11s next to the Concords and then the Breads. I must say, hey, I love them Cool Gray 11s, man. It's something about them, man. It's just something about them. They slick, and I really love them. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not mad to have another pair. You feel me? And I ain't have to pay nothing for them. Hey, I'm sorry, cuzzo, but I appreciate you holding it down and holding down your side on that end. And I can't go without ending this video saying huge shout out to y'all for rocking with your boy, man. We hit 14,000 subscribers, man. I couldn't have did it with all the help and support from you all, each and every one of y'all. Man, we're gonna have to get a giveaway going here soon. Trying to get back in the swing of things. Every time I think I'm about to get it, man, you know what I'm saying? Because I got a regular 9 to 5. I do this for the fun. And you know, sometimes when these shoes dropping, since I'm out here, I ain't got no plug like that. I be having to get them a little bit later because I got to order them online, either from Nike or GOKU, because those are my main sources that I've been using to get sneakers unless I can get them locally. And, you know, it takes time for the mail to come, and by the time they get here, the shoe already came out. But I promise y'all, I got about 3 packages coming in within the next couple of days. I'm doing videos for all them shoes, and we're going to do a little comparison with one of them. I'm going to do on feast for them as well, you know what I'm saying? Why not? You feel me? We got an early look coming as well. So stay tuned to the channel, man. Going to try to bring y'all a little bit of heat within this next week right here. Y'all already know how we rock, man. To the next video. Peace, love, in Laguna Beach. Stay safe out there, and we out this thing. Yeah!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement 3s and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever.